Good morning everyone, I am Niharika Navlani from grade 6. Today I am here to tell you about Indian culture. What is culture? A culture is a way of eat, a way of dressing and all about our rituals. What is Indian culture? Indian culture is a heritage of social norms, athletics, value and traditional customs. I am going to tell you these contents in Indian culture. Namaskar, religions and spirituality, languages and literature, food, marriage, festivals, epics, sculpture and architecture, painting, agriculture, clothing, music and dance. We will understand introduction of Indian culture. The culture of India is an amalgamation of subculture spread all over the Indian subcontinent and traditions. They are several millennia years old. Several elements of India's diverse culture such as Indian religions, yoga, cuisine, clothing, festivals, languages. Namaskar. Do you know why we joined our hands in this way? It shows a gratitude, respect and emotional bonding. Religions and spirituality. India is a birthplace of many religions such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism. Hinduism and Buddhism are the world's third and fourth largest religions. Languages and literature. There are many languages spoken in India, as India being a multi-religious society such as Sanskrit, Telugu, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada and Punjabi. Hindi is the official language of India. Food and spices. The beauty of our food is having a great medicinal. Indian cuisine categories are northern, southern, eastern and western. India is the world's second largest producer of food after China. Marriage. For centuries, arranged marriage have been the tradition of Indian society. They also demand dowry. It has been outlawed by the Indian government. Festivals. India is a multicultural and multi-religious society. Celebrates festivals of different religions. Many states and religions have different festivals depending on their religions. Such as Ganesh Chaturthi, Durga Puja, Makar Sankranti, Raksha Bandhan, Dussehra, Deepavali, Christmas, Holi, Navratri, Ramzan and Eid. Epics. The oldest well-known epics of India, Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Sculpture and architecture. Sculpture in India date back to the Indus Valley civilization where stones and bronze figures have been discovered. Indian temple carvings are world famous. This is a statue of Buddha. Painting. The earliest Indian paintings were the rock paintings, cave paintings such as Ajanta, Ellora and temple paintings. These paintings testify to a love of naturalism. Agriculture. India is one of the global leaders in the agriculture, the second largest producer of rice and wheat in the world. India is one of the greatest producers of cotton, sugarcane, peanuts, jute, tea, spices, pulses. Clothing. Traditional clothing in India generally varies. Different parts of the country have different style of dressing, such as sari churidar for women, for men dhoti, trouser and shirts. Music and dance. The music of India includes multiple varieties of religion such as folk, pop and classical musics. There are many well-known dance forms in India such as Bhangra in Punjab, Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, Garba in Gujarat, Kathakali in Kerala, Kathak in Uttar Pradesh, Northern India, Odissi in Odisha. Conclusion. India is a country with unity in diversity. Indian culture is well known for its customs, religions, spiritual values. So we are proud to be an Indian. Thank you.